Good morning, class. I'm happy to talk to you, to send you this little video again today. Do you know what day it is today? Today's the first day of the week and it is Monday. So before we start with our little activity today, make sure you have your calendar. Last week I stopped at the number 3. So we're gonna add the other numbers up until Monday. So we need one more for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I'm gonna do so right away. So as I mentioned, the last day we did is Friday the 3rd. So the next day, the next number after 3 is the number 4. So took, broom, took. Took, broom, took. What number comes after the number 4? It's the number 5. So to do the number 5, we go took, schlack, broom, and today we are the 6th. So number that comes after 5 is 6. 6 is took, and number 6. Awesome. So that's it for our calendar. As you've seen, Mr. Cassis is using different color to make a rainbow pattern. Today we're going to start seeing the letter B. Do you know what sound the letter B makes? The letter B makes b, like banana, like boat, like butterfly, like birds. I don't know if you've been outside lately, but we can hear many birds outside making their spring song to let us know that the nice weather is coming. So I'm going to show you how we trace the letter B today. We're going to keep it nice and simple, and the next video is going to be your responsibility to create a letter wheel and color it. Remember, I want you to do 3-star coloring minimum, so take your time, do it once, and do it right. Good luck, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk also this week. Bye bye. Next activity, you're gonna take a blank sheet of paper. What is the first thing you have to do when you get a sheet of paper is write your name. So I want you to write your first name and your last name. Second thing, if I go too fast, remember, you can pause the video. Second thing, I don't know if you remember your straight object that is also flat. And actually, the definition of straight is the shortest distance between 2 points. So just to correct what I said last week, you're gonna try to place your ruler down, or your flat and straight object, and I want you to trace one line from one side to the other. When you're done tracing that one line, you're gonna put 3 fingers. Mr. Cassis is gonna put 2 because he has bigger fingers. You're gonna put 2 fingers down, put your flat ruler down again, and you're gonna make another line. So 3 fingers for you, 2 fingers for Mr. Cassis. Line. Good. 2 more. This also, for the parent, might be time for you to give a little hand to your child. What we will do is on each line, I actually took my sheet of paper and I turned it around. That's going to make it easier. So on each line, you're going to put 1 finger, so 1 meatball. You're going to put your ruler down. You can take, right here I'm using a blue marker, and I want you to make a little dotted line. So we make little dots, dot, 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 dot. And you go on to the next line, you put 1 finger, and you repeat this for every single line that you've done. So for the letter B, in the sky, which is above the dotted line, is there something? Yes, there's a little bit of things. On land, you can see that most of the letter B is on land. And in the root area, I'm going to try to use a red, actually pink might be better. And in the root area, there is nothing. Okay? So there's a little bit in the sky, a little bit on land, and nothing in the root, so nothing under the first straight black line you have done. So for the letter B, the way you're going to trace the letter B, remember we always start from this side to that side. That's how we read, the same direction. So to make a small letter B, we're going to start in the sky. We're going to start here and we go took, and without lifting our pencil, path. So we start on top. We make a nice straight took, path. And again, I start on top here, took, path, and I try not to lift my pencil when I trace this. Parents, you could make little starting point for your child to use as they start, so they can retrace on the ones you've done, took, path, and then they can practice by themselves, took, path, practice on the darker one, path, took, and path. So you can do one page. Please don't do too many. Don't have them too tight to each other. So a good way to space them would be to make one maybe took, path, and to leave maybe one or two fingers to start the other one, took, path. Now, Mr. Cass's class. So, things not to do, having a little bee like this, the little ball of the bee has to touch the sky, which is not touching right now. Things also not to do, took that goes under in the roots, path, these are not good bees, or bees that don't touch the ground. They need to land also on the ground. So remember, you apply yourself, do it once, do it right, took, all the way to the ground, and when you do your path, it has to come and touch almost the sky. Okay? Good luck everyone. Remember, these are not to be done. This is no good. I want you to apply yourself and make some nice bees. Have a nice day. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.